NCERT 9th class mathematics exercise 2.3. We will learn division of a polynomial by another polynomial and then we will discuss remainder theorem. So first of all we must know how to divide a given polynomial by another polynomial. So I have taken one example wherein this polynomial, this is a polynomial, is divided by another polynomial. So this is called dividend, जिसको divide करना है, this is called dividend, this is called divisor, and here we'll get the quotient and whatever is left over that as a remainder. Okay, so let us find out quotient and remainder. Be careful, let us start. First term of the dividend is x cube. Divide it by the first term of the divisor, x to the power 3 minus 1. This power 3, this is 1. When there is a division, powers are subtracted. This becomes x square. So write x square in the quotient. Now this quotient we will multiply with this divisor. When x square multiply with x minus 1, this becomes x cube minus x square. Multiply with x, it becomes, powers are added when multiplication, it becomes x cube, and when it multiplied with minus 1, it becomes minus x square. So the first term we got is x cube. We'll write s cube under x cube. Then this is a square minus x square. So we'll write x square under the x square minus x square and draw a line. Now change the sign of this term. Minus, it is plus. So I have written minus. This is minus. I will write plus. Now when we add, this and this cancel. Be careful, I'll explain again. Let me complete this. This is minus 6x square, this is plus x square. Minus 6 plus 1, it is how much? Minus 5. Okay, when we are adding, only coefficients are added or subtracted. Minus 6, this is plus 1. When no coefficient is there, it means there is a 1. So minus 1, at the place of minus 1, we will take plus 1. So minus 6 plus 1 is equal to minus 5. So I will write minus 5x square. And I will bring down rest of the terms. Plus 9x yearly, and then plus 3. So this is the first step of doing the division. I'll explain again. Be careful and listen. First term of the dividend is x cube. Divide it by the first term of the divisor. Divide by first term of the divisor. Now there is a division, so powers will be subtracted. 3, it goes up, becomes minus 1, 3 minus 1, 2, x to the power 2. This is a quotient. We write it in quotient. Now multiply this quotient with this divisor. So here I am multiplying x square in bracket x minus 1. When multiply with this, it becomes x cube. When multiply with this, it becomes minus x square. Okay. So I am now writing this over here. X cube under x cube, x square under x square. Now I will subtract these terms from these. Signs are changed. When no sign is there, that means plus sign is there. Now I am writing minus sign. Here it is minus. So I have changed it to plus. Now when we add this, plus 1 and minus 1 cancel, 0. That I am not writing. Minus 6x square plus x square minus 6 plus 1. We only consider the coefficients. Minus 6 plus 1 x square as it is, minus 5x square. Now bring down the other terms. Okay. So this is the first step. Now we have got another polynomial, minus 5x square plus 9x plus 3. Now again we will divide first term of this polynomial, 5 minus 5x square by x, first term of the dividend. This is minus 5 x to the power 2 minus 1. Powers are subtracted. Here power is 1. It is minus 5x. 2 minus 1, 1. So I will write this minus 5 in the quotient. Minus 5x in the quotient. Okay. Now this minus 5x will multiply with the divisor. When multiply 5x with x, it becomes minus 5x square. It will become the same. Now minus 5x with minus 1, it becomes minus multiply becomes plus 5x. Change the sign, this become plus, this is plus, it will be minus. Now this minus and this plus. Now consider only the change the sign. Don't go by this sign or this sign. So this is minus, this is plus, cancel. 9x minus 5x, it is 4x. 9x minus 4x is minus 5x is equal to 4x. Only the coefficients are subtracted in subtraction. Or addition, only coefficients are added or subtraction or subtracted. So here we are doing subtraction. And bring down the last term, 3. Now again we will divide first term of this polynomial by the first term of the divisor is equal to 4. X cancel. So I will write, we get plus 4, I will write plus 4 over here. Multiply now this 4 with the first term of the divisor. This become 4x. Now 4 multiply with the second term of the divisor. This is minus 4. 4 into minus 1 becomes minus 4. Now change the sign. This is a plus, write minus. This is a minus, it becomes plus. So this plus and this minus cancel. Plus plus becomes 7. So this is how division is done. Now there are questions. Why we have not stopped over here? Why we have not stopped over here? Why this polynomial is not a remainder? Why only this is a remainder? So the condition for the remainder is the degree of the remainder. What is the degree over here? 1. What is the degree over here? 1. The degree of the remainder should be less than the degree of the divisor. Here what is the degree? 0. This is the degree is 0. Degree is 1. Now it is less than 1. 0 is less than 1. Therefore 7 is a remainder. 4x plus 3 is not a remainder because degree of remainder and divisor, they are equal. For remainder it should be less than the divisor. This is not a remainder because the degree of is 2. 2 is more than 1, so it cannot be a divisor. it cannot be remainder. So when the degree becomes less than the degree of the divisor, only then it is a remainder. So 7 is the remainder, this is a coefficient, this is a divisor, and this is a remainder. Dividend, this is a dividend. So we can write it Px as x cube minus 6x square plus 9x plus 3, and divisor we can write Gx is equal to x minus 1, and Qx, this is a Q, this is a G, which is equal to quotient is x square minus 5x plus 4, and remainder Rx is equal to 7. Now what is the relation between this, and this and this? The relation is Px is equal to Gx and Qx. Gx is a divisor, Qx is a quotient, plus Rx. This is a relation between these 4 separate expressions. Clear? So you must all remember these things. When it becomes a remainder, you must know degree should be less than the degree of the divisor. And this division process you all must understand carefully. Then this relation. Dividend, this is called dividend. This is a dividend. This, is a divisor. This is a quotient. And this is a remainder. So this is all about the division. Now, remainder theorem. Remainder theorem is, this theorem is used to find the remainder. To find the remainder. We already know one method, long division. There you can find out the remainder. But this theorem helps us to find the remainder in a very easy way. The process is put Gx is equal to 0. Divisor 0 के बराबर रखो. And find the value of x. For example, we were having the divisor as x minus 1. So first thing is put x minus 1 is equal to 0. Solve this, you get x is equal to 1. So we have found the 0 of the divisor. Put this value in the remainder. Px, we were having Px, x cube minus 6x square, x cube minus 6x square plus 9x plus 3 plus 9x plus 3. This was the Px and this was the divisor. 6 9x plus 3. Okay. Now to find the remainder, we will put the value of this x is equal to 1. We have, from the divisor, we have found the value of x as 1. Put this value in this divisor. P1, find P1. This is equal to 1 cube minus 6x square. Put 1 square. 9 into 1 plus 3. So I put the value of x as 1 everywhere. X cube means 1 minus 6 plus 1 square means 1. 1 multiplied by 6 means 6 plus 9 plus 3. Now this is a plus 10, 13. 13 minus 6, which is equal to 7. So we have found the remainder 7. P1 is 7, which is the remainder. Here also we have found the remainder 7. By long division we have found the remainder 7. So with the help of this theorem we have found the remainder, same remainder 7. So this is the use of the remainder theorem. Practical use. Process is system is put the divisor equal to 0. Divisor equal to 0, find the value of x and put the value of x in the dividend. When you solve it, you will get the remainder. This is a remainder theorem.